Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix notifications on Snapchat. So you can have like two settings of adjusting your Snapchat notifications. First method, you're going to go to your profile at the top left and the settings at the top right. You're gonna find notifications, and first thing you're gonna do, of course, allow notifications to Snapchat. If you want to add receive some notifications, not all notifications, but something like some notifications, maybe just one notifications or something like this, you should allow notifications, and then you're gonna adjust them. So you go to notifications on Snapchat applications settings, and from here you can choose notifications you want to receive. For example, you don't want to receive friend suggestions notifications, you're gonna turn it off. You don't want to receive notifications about your friends' birthdays because you are a good friend and you know all birthdays of your friends, of course. But you can also adjust Snapchat notifications in the settings of the Snapchat in your device settings. So how to visit this page? You're gonna go to press and hold the Snapchat applications icon, and from there you're gonna find this info button. But you can also visit this page by going to your settings device, and in the search field, search for app management. You go there and search for Snapchat. So from here you can find this manage notifications option, and you're gonna go there and you can allow notifications, so you will receive some notifications, and you can adjust that you will receive lock screen notifications on Snapchat or something like this. You're gonna run sit here and adjust by your own, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. Of course, if you don't want to receive any notifications from Snapchat, you can just turn it off and you will not receive any notifications from Snapchat at all. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and I will see you in the next one.